Hello students, today we'll see what human resource management is all about in a retailing sector. See, human resource management in retailing sector especially is a strategic planning and management of employees to create productive and motivated workforce. Here you will have to concentrate on three terms. One is strategic planning, one is management of employees, and next is production and motivation. These are the terms you will have to concentrate here. Before coming up to these terms, I'll just tell you the nature of human resource management when it comes to a retail industry. The nature of employees or human resource would be like this in a retail industry. One is large number of inexperienced workers you will have in a retail industry. This is why, because due to large demand of labor force in a retailing industry, most of the retail organization hire workers with little experience or no experience prior, and the wages paid to them might also be not that attractive. And second nature would be a long working hours. As you all know, retail shops have longer working hours, and since most of the customers want to shop in evenings and weekends, there will be a long working hours for employees in retailing sector. And apart from that, you have a part-time employees. To avoid a long working hours, most of the retail organization go for a part-time employees, that is recruiting part-time employees. And next is highly visible employees. Highly visible employees, as you know, the retailing employees are highly visible because they directly interact to the customers. Thus, being a HR manager, there should be a special care taken with regard to their manners and appearance. And next nature here is variability in the customer demand. Customer demands varies from day to day, from time period, or from season to season, and hence retail employees has to be very much flexible on the customer's demand. And apart from this, human resource management is extremely important in retailing. Why? Because a retailing business or a retail store is a combination of merchandise. Merchandise here is goods. It's a combination of merchandise and services. The product and services is delivered through the human interface between the store employees and the customer. So human resource management is effective use of human resources in order to enhance the organizational performance. So to enhance the organizational performance with these nature, what I mentioned, nature is that is large number of inexperienced workers, plus you have a long working hours, part-time employees, dressing manners and appearance of employees, and variability in customer demand. Based on these nature, the organization has to enhance its performance. To enhance the organizational performance, a human resource manager has to plan a proper strategy. He has to plan a strategy on managing employees in a retail store. Managing employees is to keep them productive. As I said you, they have to work for a longer hours. When they have to work for a longer hours, obviously they lose energy, or they might get boredom, or they might feel fatigue. So to avoid that, you will have to give them a training, or you have to keep them motivated to be much productive for a longer hours. And this is all about human resource management in a retail sector. Here you concentrate on four terms, that is strategic planning, management of employees, production, and motivation. These four functions altogether is called a human resource management. And the management of human resource or employees in a retail sector is done by human resource manager. The functions of human resource are, some of the functions of human resource management are recruitment, training and development, compensation, and performance appraisal. These are the 4 functions of human resource management. We'll brief into next coming topics. And human resource management is followed by human resource planning. Human resource planning is all about where a manager ensures that right number, right kind of people are at the right place for doing the right things. I'll give you an example. A retail store, a HR department in a retail store requires 4 HR executives. So, you being a HR manager should recruit the employees who have studied HR. That is right kind of people. Right kind of people is, for a HR department, a candidate who has studied HR is only suitable. So that is called right kind of people. A 4 HR executive is needed. If a 4 HR executive is needed, you will have to recruit only 4 employees. Nothing more than 4 and nothing less than 4. That is right number of people. If you are recruiting 1 extra employees, it's a cost to the company or a organization or a retail store where you are paying salary for 1 extra person, and that is a cost to a organization. If 1 employee is reduced and the 4 employees work is shared by 3 person. So when a work is shared by 3 person, obviously they are under burden. When they feel burden, they are stressed and they might exhaust very early. So you have to recruit right number of people, right kind of people. Right kind of people, I said you, it has to match to the profile of the job. Your profile, the candidate's profile has to match to a job. That is, a candidate who has studied HR will work in a HR department. A candidate, that is MCOM candidate, will work in a finance department. A BE candidate will work in a production department or a quality department or a training or a development department. This is ensuring right number, right kind of people are at the right place. When this happens, right number of people, right kind of people are at the right place, it's obvious the right things always happens. So this is all about human resource management and human resource planning. Next class we'll see on first function of human resource management, that is recruitment. Thank you.